Hi, I love helping businesses reach their goals with SEO. When a business like yours approaches us, the first thing we do is detailed research. We look at where you are today, what your competitors are doing, where the opportunities are, and what it would realistically take to reach your growth goals. Depending on the size of your project and depending on your budget, we usually create a video consultation anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes long. Then we jump on a video call to go through strategy, timeline, budgets, and answer any questions. If we end up working together, we begin improving your website, SEO, content, technical issues, authority, and visibility across Google, Maps, AI search, and everywhere else that your customers are searching for you. Over time, your business moves closer towards its goals month after month while we continue fine-tuning and improving performance. It is unfortunately a very long-term and ongoing process, but the return on investment is absolutely enormous. Anyway, enough talking. Let's take a look at a consultation we did a while back for a business that's doing very well today. I'm a big fan of hypnotherapy. I remember when I was in high school, um, and this was in the 90s, and it must have been 93 or 94. And a hypnotist came to my high school and did a demonstration. And I've always really been a big fan of it. I think it's fantastic. And I think it's one of several wonderful methods of therapy that really work, and that I'm surprised that a lot more people aren't into it. But I do know, and I can tell you from data, actual search data in Google, that it is a growing interest among people. And so I really wish you the best in your business. Let's start with your website itself. So correct me if I'm wrong. This is a Wix website. I've worked with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. I've been working with Wix websites ever since they started. And I was invited to go to Israel to their headquarters, and I haven't been able to because of all of the many travel restrictions over the past almost 2 years. But I do hope to go one day eventually. I like the website. It really doesn't need tons and tons of work. There are keywords that are missing from the website that I'll get into in a moment. But overall, it's good. I would change some of the font sizes, as you are getting a size warning in Google and you're getting a contrast warning from Google, specifically Google Chrome. Let's head over here to take a look at some of your stats. Right now, your authority score is 1 out of 100, so it's low. It's as low as it can be, and that's fine. That's where I come in. Your organic search is low. One person per month is finding you in Google, and you have 4 backlinks. Also, very low numbers. So it's very standard beginner numbers. I can raise this to probably 25 out of 100. We could raise this to probably 150 high quality visits. And then this could probably raise to 500 high quality backlinks from about 500 referring domains, which will let you rank for every single hypnotherapy related keyword that you want. And there are quite a bit. First of all, San Diego hypnosis. There are 210 people who go to Google every month and they type this exact phrase, San Diego hypnosis. Now, there are 53 variations that total 490 additional searches every month. So, for example, hypnosis San Diego, 210 people are searching that, very close to San Diego hypnosis. Then hypnosis therapy San Diego, 50 people per month. Hypnosis training. I guess you're not going to do hypnosis training, so not all of these 53 phrases will be relevant to your business. You could see people are looking up very specific names: Marshall Silver, Hypnosis San Diego, quit smoking, hypnosis San Diego, many hundreds of different searches like this, lose weight, hypnosis, etc. There are related keywords as well. And so there's hypnosis therapy San Diego, hypnotherapy San Diego. That's actually 260 monthly searches. So that's even more than this one. And then these two are not relevant to you at this time, but tons of business to be had. Now, on your website itself, I said it's good and it doesn't need much work. You basically score 57 out of 100 for this phrase, San Diego hypnosis. 29 good signals. There are 25 issues that need to be fixed, which is actually not bad. The website loads extremely fast, small file size, low number of requests. So you get these 3 check marks. Everything is good. Ignore this one here. This is not relevant. This red X is actually not relevant for this consult. So we will actually get you ranking for that as well. And I haven't even included that in here, but that will actually lead to hundreds and hundreds of additional potential patients. Now, you're not going to convert every single website visitor into a patient. Typically, you'll convert 5 to 10% into patients. And those will be patients because you won't even want to take on every single potential patient. So I'm just giving you good data. Let's say you're getting about 150 high quality visitors every month. That'll be 7 to 15 brand new, wonderful paying patients every single month. So you'll have a growing practice. Many other things, including the things that you'll see in this audit. What will end up happening is you will move up progressively every month, 1 spot, 5 spots, 10 spots a month until you're number 1, and you are capturing this search volume for San Diego hypnosis. If obviously I'm using this one phrase, we would target several other phrases as well. That you get a really good, healthy variety of people who are willing to pay for and looking for a good hypnotherapist in their area. Description tags all need to be written out. Your image meta tags. Image meta tags are very difficult with Wix. It's time consuming, but I've done it many. Removing the underscores in your images, we're not going to be able to do that with Wix. So you're not going to get a perfect 100 out of 100 score, but I think we would get you north of 80. And for many other Wix users, we've got 90, 95, 97. I'm really sure we could do this. That's basically it. I would absolutely love to do this project. I think it would be very straightforward, and I think you would enjoy working with us and you would benefit tremendously as well. Okay, thank you so much. You go ahead and have a nice weekend. The consultation you just watched was recorded years ago, so naturally SEO has evolved a lot since then. Today, ranking a business successfully takes significantly more time, strategy, content, technical work, and ongoing optimization than it did back then. My team and I have been doing SEO since 1995, and over the years, we've helped businesses from all over the world grow their traffic, visibility, and revenue through SEO. If you're a growing business and you need help with SEO, feel free to contact us anytime for an up-to-date consultation. Or you could try our SEO service with a 90-day free trial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this consultation gave you some useful ideas for your own business.